Hello there and welcome to my Day Trader Mentor YouTube channel. On this channel you'll find videos about price action trading, trading mindset, trading psychology, and lots other things about day trading, including live trading streamed as it happens from a real money account, so there is no hindsight trading. And that's why, because it's very important for me to be honest and transparent and telling you the truth about the day trading. You can find more information on how to contact me or hear more about my day trader mentorship courses through the info box on this channel. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.